for today's apéro, we're gonna have some roasted pumpkin seeds from the pumpkin we're gonna use later for the dumplings. So, for our main course, we have some dumplings with a sesame crust and the delicious filling. For tonight's dessert, we have the layers of orange, cream and yogurt, and speculatius. Enjoy. Alright, whenever you make some dumplings, make sure you have some helpers that do all the work for you.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Yeah.
It's looking good. Yeah, doing a good job. Perfect. Alright guys, I hope you are looking forward to next week's online cooking class, the first one. I definitely am looking forward to it, even though I'm a bit nervous on how to get everything ready in time. But yeah, I mean, you know now what we're gonna do, and I hope you will have as much fun as I will have. Bye bye, have a nice week.